Hello everyone. So it's a weekly recap what was done. So I'll start from documentation page. I spent really a lot of time this week documenting everything, and you can find all the new articles like explaining chat window in our documentation page. So just take a look. Also, I have described what events you can listen for this new widget. So for example, if you want to implement Google Analytics, you can just look for events which you can listen for and just listen to this and call Google Analytics API. Also, there is some methods defined which you can fire up. For example, if you are including widget in API position, you can show widget just by issuing on-click command, for example, for this event. So next big thing was done. It's multi-language support for Teams. So it means you can have like custom messages by language, and you do not need to mess around with translation files and similar things. So you just choose a language, for example, and that's all. So for users speaking this language, this message will be shown. So it's very useful, and this UI which you see for multi-language was changed also in a lot of places like personal canned messages and so on. So it's a one big thing I did this week. Another thing I documented how you can, for example, sorry, you can show like custom, you can show custom columns in the chat. For example, a moment. So if you define like custom variables, which is described here how to do, you can have these represented directly in the list, for example. Also, you can do like other things like show not only visitor nick but also other variables. And I have defined where you can find how you can do all that. Also, new thing which was done is it was right to left language support. So this will be supported in new widget also. And another kind of big change is how was done. I adjusted a little bit how scroll works in this case. So, for example, previously if scroll was up and you moved around with tabs, it was scrolling down automatically. It will not scroll down automatically unless it is a visitor new message or operator writes a message like this. So that's all for this week, and bye.